I won't carry you go now, eh? You will love it. It is very. If you see this house, don't worry. I won't make you spend my money.
I love
there
that
is money.
You know I love surprise.
You see, after that, what's the Uber guy you say you book now? The guy never reach here. How many minutes? How many minutes for him to reach here? Now, so all those Uber guy they do. Okay, this Uber guy. In fact, this place I won't carry you go. You will love the place. Honestly, you will love it. You will love it. Don't worry, I'm going to spend my money on you. That's money. I won't really. Is everything okay? Why did something change? What happened? What happened, my baby?
Baby,
are you okay?
I'm fine.
The Uber guy is here now. Why? So why this sudden change?
No, you know I prefer. I don't like going out.
No. You can't do that. We already planned for this now. Let's go. No, don't worry. You will love this place.
I'm not fully dressed.
No problem.
No, baby.
When we're coming back, you can do your shopping. Okay? Don't worry. Let's go. No problem, eh? Just stay. Why are you after all the? Oh my God! Don't do that. Let's go. Are you fine? Hope you are fine, eh? Oga Uba, how you doing now? Oh yeah, now let's go. Why you self constant? They look like the way Paul is well. Yes, sir. Okay, let's go. Hey, also you get AC. Yes, sir. This my baby get AC. I don't want make she suffer for anything. I really love the AC. Babe, are you okay?
Yeah, baby.
Now, Uba, what is happening now? Start this car. Let's go now. I'm feeling hot here. See, my baby is feeling heat already. Sorry, what's the problem? Baby, are you okay? Please start the car. Sorry, sir. Just start this car.
Sorry, sir. There is one question I want to ask you. I know you are very intelligent man. Please,
I need advice for you, sir.
Please, 1 second, please.
Yeah, you. I will listen to you. But sir, can you please start this car? I'm
coming. Sorry, sir. See, he's one of my friends.
Oh my God, understand? I am late. Yes. Sorry.
He dropped out for
Don't worry, let me listen to him.
He dropped out for school to sponsor a girl. The girl finished school,
okay.
He rent house, he furnished everything, he do everything, sponsor many of the girl family.
Just hold on, let me listen to
sorry.
Yes, I'm with you.
So, end of the day,
okay, sorry.
He now got that girl cheating, date another person.
Baby.
Yes, I'm with you.
Friend. Baby, what's your business with this?
Do this kind of thing for me.
Yes.
I will end everybody.
You say?
In fact, I will end everybody.
Okay, no problem.
Please start this car. Let's go.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Yes, start it. Don't worry. What kind of nonsense? How can somebody do that kind of thing? For what? For what? Give me AC. Let's go. What is that? Baby, are you fine?
Yeah, baby.
Don't worry. Can you imagine? How can somebody do that kind of thing to this Uber driver? How much are they even making? Even though they are making money. You say he's just managing now. Abba. I will end everybody.